Fix Dead Island to error 0x1606. 8. Check server status. Visit the official Dead Island 2 or Epic Games server status pages. Epic Games status. Dead Island 2 on Twitter for updates. If servers are down, wait and try again later. 2. Restart your game and system. Fully close the game, not just minimize. Restart your PC or console. Relaunch the game after boot. 3. Verify internet connection. Use a wired connection for better stability. Reboot your router modem. Run a speed test, ping packet loss. Disable any VPNs or proxies. 4. Relink Epic Games and Dead Island to account. Sometimes the Epic account linking causes this error. Go to Epic Games account settings. Under Apps and Accounts, unlink and relink any associated platform, Steam, Xbox, PS. Make sure the correct account is connected. 5. Verify game files, PC only. If you are using Epic Games Launcher, open Epic Games Launcher. Go to Library, click the 3 dots on Dead Island to click Manage. Select Verify Files. 6. Temporarily disable Firewall antivirus. Windows Firewall or third-party security software may block the session. Try disabling them temporarily and launch the game. Don't forget to re-enable afterward for security. 7. Check NAT type, console players. Go to Network Settings on your console. Make sure NAT type is open or type 1. If it's moderate or strict, forward ports or enable UPnP in your router settings. 8. Reinstall the game if nothing works. Uninstall Dead Island though. Reboot your system. Reinstall it via Epic Games or your respective platform. Clear game cache. On PC, Epic Games Steam. Press Win plus R, type %localop data %. Find the Dead Island 2 folder and delete it. Don't delete your save file if stored elsewhere. Relaunch the game. On console. Power off, completely unplug the console for 2 to 3 minutes, reboot. This clears temporary system cache. Thus, use alternate DNS. Change your DNS to Google or Cloudflare for more reliable connectivity. On PC, go to Control Panel, Network Adapter Settings, Properties, IPv4. On console, in Network Settings, set DNS manually. 11. Run as administrator, PC. Right-click on the Dead Island though shortcut or .x file. Click Properties Compatibility. Check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. 12. Disable background apps overlays. Turn off Discord, Xbox Game Bar, MSI Afterburner, GeForce Experience overlays. These sometimes interfere with session creation. 13. Create a new save file. Some users reported that their current save file was corrupted. Try creating a new character or starting a new game. See if the error still occurs.